Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Our lesson is there are some letters. Any letter, any word in the Holy Quran will not start from these letters. These letters will never come beginning of the letter. For example, there is alif. Alif will come. For example, alif is there. Beginning of the letter alif will be separate. If alif will come by joining, then will be turning right. Okay, so these letters you can note. Now we are going to learn something else. In this page, in top this paragraph, there is only alif and lam. We can easily we can note, we can learn alif will turn right, lam will turn left by joining in combined letter. This one is, what is this? Please answer. And what is this? And what is this? This one, alif, lam. Mashallah, great answers. Okay, in this period, in this there are kaf in complete shape, in half shape. Sign is this one, like a stick. In kaf there will be stick, and then we can easily know this is kaf. And kaf is one more style. One more style is this one. In first page you can see this one. This one is kaf. There is a short sign. This sign will come whenever this kaf will come in the Holy Quran. Okay, so in next paragraph only we have to practice 5 letters: ba, ta, sa, noon, ya. Difference between ba and noon is one spike, one dot down, ba, one spike, one dot up, noon. Difference between ta and ya is one spike, 2 dots down, ya, one spike, 2 dots up, ta, and sa, one spike, 3 dots up. And for the ya, there is one special thing. When ya will become a joining, then there will be 0 dot. By joining beginning of the letter, if you will see, then ya will show like this, in this position. Beginning of the letter, if you will see, ya is joining, combine, then one spike, 2 dots down. And if ya is end of the letter in word, last letter is ya, then ya will come in this shape. This one, in this, without any dot. End of the letter ya will be in this shape. Beginning of the letter ya will be in this shape. This is lesson for practice. You can practice in this page. You can practice in the Holy Quran. Anywhere these letters you can find there, like ba, okay, 1 dot down, noon, 1 dot up, and ya, 2 dots down, ta, 2 dots up. Like this you can easily find letters and you can cover. Please must practice, must watch this video 2-3 times. It will be very helpful for you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.